Hi guys, your girl's back at Vineland Premium Outlets, and I am going into the Disney Character Warehouse store. And if you don't know me, I'm Yammi. Welcome to Yammi's Adventures. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Come back and watch more videos. We have fun on here. So we're going to go into the Disney Character Warehouse store. We're going to check out the merchandise, see what's available, and ooh, no line. Ooh, I like this. So we're going to go check things out. Let's go. I made a mistake and came here on Saturday. The line was ridiculously long. So no line today, and we're just going to go right on in. Alright, of course they still have the Marie collection here, and it looks like they got quite a bit of the Marie collection. Yeah. Because you even got this section here, so. And what's over here? Oh, we got a Loungefly. What is this one? Marvel. Okay, must be from Wakanda, right? I think so. Oh, they got dog beds. And then they got Wakanda Forever clothing here. I'm not seeing any new Doonies except for maybe the Marie. Oh, this one I haven't seen here yet. $125 for that bag. $150, and they do have the tote down there too. Oh, they have prints, and these prints haven't been around in a while. Still more Wakanda Forever. Some Christmas stuff is still here. But let's go. Oh, this is all new. Pillows are new. My backpack's here. I think I really want this. Boo might get a little upset, but I think I'm going to get me this. The Orange Bird Crocs are here for $29.99. Oh my goodness. Epcot blanket is $20. There's a spoon. Alright, throwing things around now. We'll leave that alone. More Epcot stuff. Alright, this is Hanukkah stuff. What are these plates? Oh, okay. Something to do with the vault. Oh, nice pan. Okay. More of the teacup stuff is here. What is this? This is a teapot, cup, and saucer for $29.99. That is cute. I like that. $3.99. Are you out of your mind? Nope, but I did grab it. They still have the candle set here for $25. We got some Go-Gru toys over here. Wild Riding Go-Gru is $55. They do have the Lionel train set here for $280. So if you look right there, you see the stripes. Guess what? That's my sweater, and they had my size, so I grabbed it. They have a lot of coats in here. That expensive brand, the HH brand that's at Norway. Here, I'm not sure. A National Geographic, that's what these are on. Now if you look up there, there's a sign that says 30% off, taking on apparel. So my sweater might get 30% off on that. That would be lovely if I can. The Jasmine collection still here. Quite busy in here today. They do have Orange Bird jumper here for $30. They have Santa sandals for kids, $7.99. And these shoes are $25. Here are some fuzzy slippers for $12.99. Which again, I don't remember seeing this in the stores. We got a princess hat there. I'm not sure what the prices are. Oh yeah. And this hat is $40 for a hat. Okay, look at the orange cards, are adorable.
Those are $30. Those are precious.
They are.
I love the orange bird.
Alright, so we still have pants. Oops. Pick that up. That one someone left it sitting around. Those are silky pants. $20. These pants are like really silky feeling, and they are $20. We still got a lot of the 25th item out. Or not the 25th, but the Vault collection of the 25th. More of the Jasmine collections here. Down to the rug. Writing books, trinket tray. That's pretty much it. Alright, they have some ears here. $7.99. $7.99. $14.99 for the light up balloon. The Bambi bag is here for $20. Let me see if anything new is here. Dr. Strange. Figment. Card pails are new. These have been here. Nothing new. These are new. $9.99. And they got some more patches. Nothing new here. Nothing new there. $8.99. Alright, not really seeing too much. Billabong. This is from the Riviera. Cheap day. This is new. So Universe. I don't know. Relaxation. I think I'm gonna some more Magic Bands. More Lounge Fly bags. There's some Tiana bags. Alright, this is new. What is this? Just a pouch.
Yeah, dude. Strawberry.
Alright. Mugs are new. Figment's back. How much is Figment this time? $9.99.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
They're so looking.
National Geographic bottle.
Well, I need to go look for props for this.
Oh, this is a new mug. Monsters, that's a nice mug. 20th anniversary mug. National Geographic things. I'm not sure what this is. It's $4.99. This is a pin and a patch for $8.99. Originally 20 bucks. And they got some M&Ms. Who knows how much those are. Stationery set for $12. Alright, over here to the doggy stuff. They've got Marie bowls here now. How much are these? $7.99. But look at this. Captain has a mini shirt for a dog. How much? $12.99. Oh, here's the Captain for the boys. Okay, but all they have are, well, they do have small sizes. And this is for the girls. Oh, cute. Still got the pumpkin. Obi would still kill me if I bought that. I think that Obi should have a go-gru. I think so. They still have some holiday cracks in here. Stockings. $12.99. Pictures are new. Let me see if I can find the price. $19.99. They still have the plates, the cake stand, table runner. This is a I guess you can open this up. There we go. There's a ring inside. Isn't that cute? Will you marry me? Those are going for $14.99. And what is this? It's $20. Oh, measuring cups. I get it now. Tiana mixing bowls are still here. Okay, we have a Pandora animal here. Or is that? Yeah, it looks like Pandora. We have some games. Hungry Hippos. We got phone cases. And some kind of a lantern. Some kind of a quantum cord. I don't know what it does. That's nothing. We still have a lot of the Buzz Lightyear toys. We got a lot of toys in here as of right now. Oh, they got lots of costumes. This is like the whole set of costumes. I think for the low price of $80. Little girls' clothes. I haven't really seen anything too new back there. Oh, from Encanto, we got a doll. Maribel, I believe her name was.
Yeah. Winnie the Pooh, yeah?
This one is Isabella. It's quite busy in here at the moment. And just gonna kind of like scan the room. At least the music's down now. There was so much music playing, I couldn't hear anything. What are these? Sweatpants? You know, like a windbreaker pants. Nylon. Well, I guess that's pretty much it, folks, for in here. Alright guys, that was it for the Disney Character Warehouse store. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me, what did you like? Was there something in there that you've seen that you like? Comment down below. Comment what you are hoping to find at the outlet one day. You know, a wish list. Let me know what your wish list is. I got mine. I got the sweater. So, I'm happy. Well guys, as always, thank you for being here and I love you all. Bye.